A novel twist, crafting new endings to classic tales. Hello, language learners and budding writers. In today's session, we'll delve into a fascinating exercise that will both challenge and nurture your English creative writing skills, inventing a new ending for a well-known novel. Yes, you heard it right. Ever wished a book you loved had a different ending? Now's your chance to reimagine it. Rewriting a known story can be incredibly beneficial. 1. Practice. It pushes you to practice sentence structures, vocabulary, and tenses. 2. Creativity. You already have the plot, characters, and setting. The challenge is twisting the tale. 3. Critical thinking. Why did the author choose the original ending? How does your version compare? When selecting a novel. 1. Familiarity. Choose a novel you're familiar with. It's easier to reimagine an ending if you understand the story's entirety. 2. Length. Short stories or novellas might be simpler to start with. 3. Interest. It's essential to pick something you're passionate about. Passion fuels creativity. 1. Recap the original ending. Understand where the story ends. Jot down the main events in the climax and resolution. 2. Brainstorm ideas. Think about various scenarios. What if the antagonist won? What if it was all a dream? What if the setting changed at the last moment? 3. Outline your new ending. Before diving into writing, outline the sequence of events. This acts as a roadmap for your writing. 4. Write with passion. Dive into the narrative. Embrace the characters and the world you're reshaping. 5. Revise. As with all writing, revising is crucial. Read your new ending multiple times, refining with each iteration. Original ending. Cinderella fits the glass slipper, marries the prince, and they live happily ever after. Reimagined ending. As the clock strikes midnight, instead of fleeing, Cinderella stands her ground. The prince approaches, and she admits the truth about her identity. Moved by her honesty and courage, the prince, too, reveals a secret. He doesn't want to be a prince and wishes for a simple life. Together, they leave the kingdom, setting off on a journey of adventure, proving that you don't need a crown to find your fairy tale. So, dear learners, take this chance to reshape literary worlds and exercise your English skills. It's not just about crafting a different outcome. It's about understanding the narrative, the characters, and most importantly, your unique voice as a writer. Hope this video has inspired and equipped you to take on this creative challenge. Happy writing!